This Facebook page URL is not looking cool, it's not looking customized. In fact, it looks ugly. You don't want to share this Facebook page to anyone. Instead, you want your Facebook page URL to look exactly like this. And that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to change your Facebook page URL from the default appearance that look this ugly into this appearance that look customized, brandable, and shareable. If you're ready, let's quickly get right to it. All right, so once you're signed into your normal Facebook profile, you want to come to this top corner here where you have your profile image, and you want to click on the drop down arrow, and then you want to come here and you want to locate or identify the particular Facebook page that you want to change the URL or that you want to customize the URL. So for me, let's assume I want to customize this digital quill. All I need to do is to click on the digital quill here, and then Facebook is going to take me over to that particular page. Okay, so once I'm on that page, what I want to do is that I want to come to this side here. All right, so once I'm here, I want to scroll all the way down here, and I want to come here, and then I want to scroll all the way here, and then I'm going to identify the page that I'm currently working on, which is the digital quill. Again, I'm going to click on that. All right, I'm going to come here and I'm going to click use page. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to come to the settings tab here and I'm going to click on that. And once I do, I want to scroll all the way down here and I want to click on page setup. Okay, so once I do, I want to come here to this name here and I'm going to click on that. Okay, so as you can see here that the name of this page is Digital Quill, and here I want to come to this username here and I want to click on the edit tab here. Okay, so once I do that, it's going to open this function for me. Okay, so I want to come down into this box and going to type in the particular custom name that I want this URL to be identified with. As you can see here, we have facebook.com/your username. Okay, so my username is what I want to type in here. So here, let me use Digital Quill. And then I'm going to wait for it. Okay, it says it's not available. That means probably somebody else is using it. So I can decide to add some things to it just to distinguish it from what is already existing. Okay, so let me put 2 here. So you can see here that this particular username is now available. So all I need to do right now is to click on Save Changes. All right, so here I'm required to type in my password to authenticate this change that I just made. Okay, and once I type in my password, I'm going to come here and click submit. Okay, so once I do that, my change is going to be effected. So let's see if this has been effected. All I need to do again is to come back to home page. Okay, so all I need to do is to come down here and then I'm going to come here. This is Digital Quill. This is where we just worked on. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so as you can see here, this particular URL has been changed now to facebook.com/digitalquill2. So this is how to customize your Facebook page URL so that it can go from something that looks this ugly into something that looks this beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and help me share so that more persons can get to see this, and then you'll be helping my channel in the process. If you are an unsubscribed visitor and you want to see more videos like this one, why not hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when next I make content like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.